Welcome. In front of me I have 70mai Dash Cam Pro Plus, and I will show you how you can enable or disable ADAS function. You have to go for the settings, find system settings, then scroll down and go for ADAS. Tap on this one to enable this feature. As you can see there, we get the notification that we have to move the dash cam where the yellow line align car ahead with the highlight arena. Of course, I'm not in the car, so I cannot make it, but let's go forward. Let's go for the next steps. There we have to turn the lens to ensure that the distance horizon is within the highlight arena.
ADAS calibration starts. Please keep your speed at 20 km/h or higher.
And this, as you can hear, we have to follow this function prompt notification, so we have to go for like 20 km/h or higher to make the calibrate of this feature. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.